The following segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti.
It recently came to light that as many as 87 million Facebook users may have had their personal information improperly harvested by a British political consulting firm known as Cambridge Analytica. Now, Facebook founder and CEO Mark Zuckerberg has now been called to testify before Congress, and there is talk of future regulations and a crackdown on the social media giant. Here to help examine this issue is supervising attorney Dan D'Agostino from the law firm of Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti. Dan, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Nice to have you here. So what exactly, for our viewers at home, what exactly is Cambridge Analytica and how did they manage to get this information?
Yeah, they are a political research firm, designed at, gathering information on potential voters. One of their employees, created an app, and what the app was a survey, that was asking for general information from these people about their likes, just, their life in general. So they were able to get this information and not only get their information, but friends that are on their Facebook account, Facebook page,
right,
get their personal information, and they're selling it essentially to politicians and, campaigns.
What's the purpose of acquiring this type of data?
Well, the purpose would be, you're going to find out what people's likes, dislikes, issues, hot topics that are important to them. And then marketing firms will use the information and create ads which are directly targeted towards individuals. So they're able to, when you're on your Facebook page, they know when you're on, what time, and they'll create ads that are directly receptive just to you.
Yeah, okay, now what changes or safeguards are being put in place now?
Yep, Mark Zuckerberg's having those congressional hearings right now, and essentially what's going on is they're doing an audit of Facebook, and any information that these apps are obtaining from people, they are, either shutting them down or limiting what they can get. Any surveys anymore are just limited to information that you get from the person taking the survey, not from their friends on Facebook.
Okay, so I know our folks at home, they might be wondering, how do I know if my data,
Sure,
my personal information was obtained by this group? Is there a way for people to check that out? It's
a great question. At the top of your Facebook page, Facebook was supposed to send a notification if your information's been compromised. What I would do, even if it's not there, is they have a separate page which you can look at to see if your information has been given to a third party.
Definitely a good idea to check. All right, Dan, thank you so much for being here.
Appreciate it.